Hey guys, we received this Baker's signature stainless steel mixing bowls with lid for test and try. Metal mixing bowl set of 5, nesting set for food prep or the baking, storage, cooking or any use you want. So they are can be washed in a dishwasher and is very nice pack overall. So let me just open this up and show it to you. So the 5 different sizes and they have their own airtight lids, so that's really good. And these 5 sizes, I will say, like it is 0.5 quart, 1.5, 3 quarts, 4 quarts and 5 quarts, with the size is around 5.5 from the small to 7 inches, 8.6, 9.4 and 10.2. With the height, it is 2.9 inches to 3.7, 4.2, 4.5 and 4.9 inches. Now the material looks really good and feels really good. It's not very heavy but good to handle and doing the stuff. So you can see all clean stainless steel with the brushed thing, so no scratches much of the stuff, and coated inside or the shiny thing with the airtight lid, as you can see. So you can easily airtight that, so you can put it in the freezer, and then it's odor resistant. I don't see any odor with this fruit grade steel. So the lid will helpful for locking your freshness or the spill proof or the space saving stackability one on top, and nice flat bottom, so nice overall mirror finish interior.